Thank you for such an interesting image topic. You are right about the color issue in China. Do look around you. Will you see pink as different connotation here? I could not agree with you more in appreciating the gesture from Lincolnshire. I am happy to belong to work environment that express recognition for my work through such small details. Thank you to the people who thought about us, the woman at Lincolnshire, and thank you for letting me talk.
இமெயில் நான் பார்த்தேன். ஸோ ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ எனக்கு சைனாவில் வந்து இந்த கலர் இஷ்யூ இருக்கிறது வந்து தெரியும். ஸோ ஓவராலாக இருக்கிறது. ஸோ இருந்தும் என்னோடய ஒர்க்கை வந்து ரெகனைஸ் பண்ணி ஸோ எனக்கு நீங்கள் கிஃப்ட் கொடுத்ததுக்கு நான்
Great. Continue the next team.
I am sorry that this issue is now interrupted as a cultural conflict. This is absolutely not the case. I do not object that at all. That a person is given, nor do I want to contest that pink or red might have another meaning or that the towel are not seen as offensive. What I am objecting to, however, is the women are given household tools as gifts by their employers. If towels are common gifts in China, then I can assume that men too receive pink lucky towels as gifts from the company. No, of course not. I would engaging through the key rings agenda of issues business card holders and similar items of daily use can be gift as gift to right. Why then household goods to working women? This is gender issue, not the culture one. It is about appreciating women's work, not about Chinese Western cultures. Different women have different views towards gift. I just got pink towel and they are lovely. I really love them.
Yes, someone can explain.
அவங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க யூகேயில் வந்து 10 இயர்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அந்த ஒர்க் பண்ணப்போ அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிற சின்ன சின்ன கிஃப்ட்ஸையும் அவங்க ஒரு மெமரியாக தான் பார்க்குறாங்க. அது என்ன கிஃப்ட்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் ஓகே. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து லாஸ்ட் 1.5 இயர்ஸாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுனால இங்கே எந்த கிஃப்டாக இருந்தாலும் அவங்களுக்கு ஓகே தான். அவங்க வந்து அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. நான் அதை பற்றி எந்த மைண்ட் பண்ணிக்கல. அதை எப்படி அவங்க பார்க்குறாங்கன்னா, அவங்க ஒர்க்குக்கான ஒரு இதாக தான் பார்க்குறாங்க, ஒரு கிஃப்டாக பார்க்குறாங்க, ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்கான.
Great, absolutely. Yes. The next team continue with that your stand of opinion.
I'm a working woman and hope to become an executive coach. I don't think someone are inspired by me and or a business card holder changing back to the professional standard. I believe the type of gift being selected is to be because compared to business card holders, travel would be useful to everyone. I have to say, having lived and worked in the United Kingdom for more than 10 years, the last 1.5 years, that Indian life has been very different but certainly memorable to me. I feel I have been recognized and considered after all that hard work and very much appreciate all gifts being offered by different friends, not just one money being spent, but the idea, the time and people to do is all of these. To some extent, I don't mind any gift being offered.
Yes.
அவங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபியூச்சர் ஒர்க்கிங் உமனாக சொல்கிறாங்க. ஃபியூச்சரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஒர்க்கிங் உமனாக ஃபியூச்சரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற மாதிரி சொல்கிறாங்க சார். அவங்க ஃபியூச்சரில் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் தான் வரணும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க சார். அவங்க வந்து பிஸ்னஸ் கார்டு பிங்க் டவல் கொடுத்தா நான் வாங்கிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க 10 இயர்ஸாக யூகேயில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு வாங்கிட்டு வருவாங்க சொல்கிறாங்க சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க அவங்க பண்ண ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாத்தையும் கிடச்சி ஃபீல் பண்ணுறதா சொல்கிறாங்க சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுறாங்க சார். எல்லா கிஃப்ட்டும் எனக்கு வந்தது. இதுக்கப்புறம் நான் என்ன கிஃப்ட்டு கொடுத்தாலும் நான் வாங்கிக்கிற மாதிரி அவங்க.
Perfect. Yes, next team, what is your opinion and stand on this issue? Please read and explain further.
Although cultural conflict makes the issue sounds more fun, I have to argue with the staff here. This is a gender issue instead of cultural one. As a Chinese person, I am not bothered about the pink towel or a red towel. But as a woman, I don't find that ionic to the towel on Women's Day doesn't mean rest of the Men's Day. I would rather that the solid regulations considering working human's welfare, for instance, longer maternity leave or a better home sensible or professional development, etc. That said, I would pick up my pin towel, just hoping next year or in near future we can see the difference and not just the pin towel.
Staff J is the staff of employee at Versatile University. She is trying to register her disapproval for the gift of intervals. Now she is driving the conflict from cultural conflict to gender conflict. She feels this gift as something irony. Since she has not received something like that, and I feel this she drives this act of gifting as an act of feminism. She is more of a feminist in my point of view. So though she shows disapproval in this gift, she finally accepts this gift, and she hopes that this gift will not be repeated in the following years.
Well said. Yes, final stand opinion from the team K.
Staff K, it is a real shame that human organization were thinking exactly what they are meant to do. Staff A's astute points about gender get distorted into ingratitude to the hospitality that China offers, and worse, escalates into the ever convenient discourse of the Western attack on China. She is spot on.
Explanation? Yes.
It's really shame on people who are there to make critical thinking. What staff said, it's a good point. They talked about gender, but it's misunderstood as Western culture attacking